Thank you, Nick. Well, tonight, police recover new evidence possibly connected to the Mackenzie Lueck murder investigation. Salt Lake City police were called to the Jordan River Parkway, where the additional evidence was found. ABC4's Brittany Johnson joining us with that part of the story tonight. Brittany.
Well, Emily, at the same time of Ayoola Ajayi's court hearing, police were recovering new evidence, possible new evidence. Investigators are being tight-lipped about what they found. But we did speak with a former prosecutor about what new evidence could mean for this case. What items were discovered in this section of the Jordan River Parkway Monday morning? ABC4's Rosie Nguyen asks a Salt Lake City police lieutenant if he can tell us.
I can't.
But Lieutenant Brett Olson can say city employees with the Parks Department stumbled upon them while working and called police. Divers recovered the items. Lieutenant Olson says the articles, possibly connected to Mackenzie Lueck's disappearance and murder, were booked into evidence.
So investigators are going to sift through those items, find out exactly what bearing they have on the case, and continue their investigation.
Those close to the investigation are being tight-lipped.
The prosecution has a duty not to make extrajudicial statements.
So we bring in Kent Morgan, a former prosecutor and current criminal defense attorney, for some insight as to what new evidence could mean in addition to what prosecutors already have.
I don't see that there is any direct evidence of guilt. Everything that I see is circumstantial evidence.
At the very same time, dive teams were busy recovering evidence from this Jordan River. Lueck's suspected killer appeared before a judge via video, uttering these three words from the Salt Lake County Jail to the judge.
Good morning, sir.
Investigators say they will leave no stone unturned in this case, and with the possibility of more evidence still out there somewhere, Kent Morgan says it will take time before a conclusion can be reached.
I think you're looking at least a year.
Now, Ajayi, the suspect in this case, lived about 1 mile from where the items were found today in the river. Now, Kent Morgan, the former prosecutor you just heard from there, says assuming today's evidence is of assistance to either the prosecution or defense, it may be introduced and explained in a future preliminary hearing. So, Emily, we might have to wait until then to find out what those items are.
Yeah, exactly. And you kind of answered this here, but tell us then, if this is indeed evidence connected to this case, what does it do to this prosecution side?
So Kent Morgan there, he said the prosecution experts are going to have to compare this new evidence, if it is connected to the case, to the old evidence and see if there's anything consistent there that matches up with this case. If this new evidence does turn out to be connected to this case as well, they're going to have to match that up to where it was found to see if they could ping that location to his phone as well, to the suspect's phone.
Still a lot of work to be done.
Yep, exactly.
Thank you so much, Brittany. A lot of information still, I'm sure.